Should I learn WPF or Silverlight?
They both let you build applications running on XAML or the .NET framework. Silverlight is considered light, and it doesn't use some of the .NET framework that WPF does.
What impact does that have?
WPF for Windows Presentation Foundation is more powerful.
How so?
WPF has unlimited file access on Windows machines. This gives it more flexibility, but it can pose a security issue for users too.
More power is usually preferable in IT. And the IT security is rather moot, since the NSA already has all your files.
I pity the guy who has to go through all the Snapchat images of underage girls and kids' junk. Wait, never mind.
I heard WPF lets you hook up controls through the command property. Silverlight doesn't have this, but it does let you create your own custom commands.
WPF supports more types of routing events and network calls. Silverlight doesn't support some of the triggers WPF does, like control templates and data templates.
You have to use the Silverlight Visual State Manager to do this, but it makes XML files associated with it more complicated. It sounds like WPF wins hands down.
Silverlight is out of the box for installation and usage. A lot of people like the simplicity that provides.
Simplicity does have its attraction.
So does maintainability. WPF upgrades are more painful than Silverlight, and WPF is more likely to run into problems with incompatible operating systems and system specifications.
So what should I learn?
Start with Silverlight, since it is simpler. You can take your time learning WPF, which will take a lot longer.
Do people regularly convert from one to the other?
Not often, but they pay good for those who can. Especially since they can't use HTML5 to replace both tools.